So we're in a place called Puluong, and we came here because we wanted to see the beautiful rice paddies and be somewhere
in the mountains,
somewhere more remote, more local. There is a famous place called Sapa that everyone seems to go to. It's further, it's on the border of China, northern Vietnam, but we figured we could come here. It's quieter. We heard about this from a friend.
Yeah, as soon as we looked into it, we were like, we need to go to this place.
It's close, it looks beautiful, it might be up and coming, who knows, but it's lovely. I'm happy we came.
Wonderful. So today we're just going to take you around and enjoy the peacefulness of this place and see where the day goes. Starting with breakfast. We have to go actually because it's almost over.
Oh, you're right. Subscribe to follow along.
There's a little coffee and tea area, and look at how cute this is. There's a teapot. Oh, can I get it out?
Oh.
So obviously we need some real coffee. We had instant coffee this morning. Look at how dark that is, Keith.
Oh, jeez.
That looks like syrup.
Maybe it is syrup.
It's gonna be strong. I think today we're the only people here, so it's kind of cool. We have this whole beautiful place to ourselves. And because we're in Vietnam and we learned in our coffee experience, condensed milk is the way to go, so add a little bit of that in. Well, this has kind of been a common theme with breakfasts. They've been great. It's always been eggs, a few vegetables, and a bunch of bread, which is great for Keith, not so great for me, but he'll be full after breakfast.
We also got yogurts and fruit, and I have more pancakes.
Let's eat.
So our place is ideally situated.
It's incredible. I can't get
insane.
over this.
So before we begin exploring, going for a walk, exploring the surrounding area, we're actually going to walk through the actual homestay, the Puluong home.
We want to give you a tour of where we're staying.
Exactly.
So we are staying at Puluong Home. It's called, and it's a family-run lodge, and there are a bunch of different bungalows that you can stay in. So there's some up top with excellent views. But first, we're gonna take you to the eating area. So you walk through the jungle, and then you are in the restaurant area. So there's a bar and a lovely kitchen over there with dinner, which we'll eat later tonight. We had our breakfast right here, and then you continue through the kitchen. Quick stop over here because there is a refillable water station, which is very important for us. Come on. So there are these beautiful pathways through the beautiful garden and jungle, and there's a bunch of little bungalows, like with these amazing roofs. So you come down this pathway and you make it to our room, which we did the tour right when we arrived, so our room was nice and clean, so we'll go to that now.
Hello?
Hello, welcome to our beautiful bungalow. Come on inside. So to begin, we have this little sitting corner slash where we put our stuff. So we have our bags here nicely. There's hooks so you can hang up your clothes. I think this is a third bed if you have an extra person. And there's, as you can tell, a beautiful bug net. Then we come past this beautiful pole also. It's all wood and bamboo. And look at this bed. Beautiful sheets and drapes on it. Our own princess bug net. Look at these lights. And they're right here, so when we're in bed, we can turn them off and on. Beautiful. Then you have a beautiful window outside, which I will show you, and then wait for the bathroom because it's probably the coolest bathroom we've ever had. You come outside this lovely door, and we have our own personal seating area, beautiful mugs, and the sickest view. Like, honestly, the sickest view. You have to check this out. So coming back inside, we also have two fans. At the moment, we don't have the AC on because with the fans, it's great. There is an AC machine, and for a pretty cool part, the bathroom. Take a look at this. It's a bit dark in here because it is solidly concrete with beautiful rocks and a concrete floor. And I think this is the prettiest shower we have ever had. It's got the rocks and the like above water shower. Like, what is this? Shampoo, body wash. Come on, look at this sink. A rock sink. And of course the toilet. Anyways, so that is our room tour, and we hope you enjoyed. And now we are back, so I'm going to show you the very best part, in my personal opinion, of this lodge. There's a nice little seating area here with a gorgeous view. Maybe Keith and I will play some cards out here later, as long as it doesn't rain on us. The absolute, I know it's a bit bright because the sun is right above us, but the absolute best part of this place is a pool looking over the valley. Take a look at this. Which you might have seen this morning at sunrise, but like,
so as you can tell, it's just like incredibly serene, peaceful, mountaintop, lush garden view with pool and everything. It's, I mean, it's like being in a tourist flyer.
yeah, but we're alone and it's just us and it's magical.
Okay, let's go for a walk.
Yes.
We are literally
10 steps
like
from our door.
17 meters away from our front door.
And we've already stopped.
And this might be the most insane view we've seen on our trip. Beating cat butt, I don't know, like look at this. And there's rice drying right there.
Oh, sorry, I was taking a nice Insta pic. Follow us on Instagram for all my little pictures.
Actually, yeah, we do post on Instagram some day-to-day stories and stuff. If you want to check that out.
I just like have to, it's so beautiful.
It's insane. All right, we have to focus here.
We're trying to get somewhere. Continue walking. We've seen a lot of construction just down the street from us, and we think that this must be the next up and coming place potentially.
I think it's gonna be the next big destination.
Like the next maybe Sapa, because it's a lot closer to Hanoi, and
it's still really small.
Gorgeous. But right now it's very small. Like there's no restaurants. We eat at our place. Mud.
So we did in fact make it to the lookout, the Don Village lookout point.
And it is quite beautiful,
beautiful.
But it's literally just on the side of the road. We walked past it and he's like, we walked past the lookout.
This is it.
This whole area is just like stunning, stunning views.
And you can tell there's a lot of resorts coming in or that are already here, but they're really quiet right now. Oh, there's no one around. All right, let's go walk the other way. We found an ultimate lookout point right here, just above. It's a restaurant. They serve food, which is probably gonna get a little quick drink, just above our homestay. I think it's down there. Yeah, we can see it almost.
Yeah.
Where is it? Behind these trees.
Yeah. And we can see the clouds coming in hot, and we want to swim before it rains.
Yeah, so. It tends to rain in the afternoon. I think as the humidity builds up and stuff. So we're gonna try to go for a swim shortly before it comes in. Oh my goodness. I've been getting these lime juices here. Oh, they're so good. I just need that, like, the citrus. It's like my body is just sweats so much, it's just, I can't. I need the electrolytes. Ooh, warm. Oh.
Swimming time!
We wanted to come here to recharge our batteries in a way.
It's been a busy and amazing first week here in Vietnam.
Definitely.
But it's been really, really busy.
It's been busy.
And right before we were in Vietnam, Keith was ill, so we kind of just like jumped back into it, which was awesome. But to have a place where that's so calm and in nature was really needed for us. So
yeah, it's sort of
really
that really rejuvenates us always.
We feel very grateful to be here. And it's very easy to get here from Hanoi if you want to come too.
It's late into the afternoon. We actually fell asleep for like a good hour.
So peaceful, and now we got woken up by the rain.
sound of the
classic
rain.
late afternoon storm. Hopefully this umbrella holds. I think we might sit here and play cards.
Sitting in your bathing suit near a pool is the way to handle the humidity and the heat because it's just like you're outside. It's beautiful. And the butterflies flying about, they must have been hiding. They must be hiding now.
And we
Rain
haven't
will
had
come.
a pool since Cambodia, I realized.
Yeah, let's just stay here, play cards, and keep reading. I needed that nap. You? Well, the rain has stopped. It is now, for us, early dinner.
Yes.
Why not?
And this feels like a retreat because there's a beautiful restaurant right on site. So we're gonna go pick some stuff to eat.
It feels like a sort of like jungle paradise, doesn't it?
We put on our fancy clothes too for a nice little dinner date.
I put on a t-shirt and pants.
I thought these were our
Shorts,
fancy
sorry.
clothes.
Well, Devin's looking fancy. I'm not.
This is my fancy dress.
I love these beautiful houses on stilts. It's so impressive.
We just ordered our meal and he said it's gonna be about half an hour. So we brought a deck of cards to play in the meantime. It's like a little date night. I like it. And one thing that's really cool, this is actually the drink menu, sorry. But they have these set menus, so a bunch of different things that you can try. So we get one of those, and then my favorite thing so far in Vietnam is tomato fried tofu that they have. So we ordered a plate of that and a plate of vegetables. So we're gonna have a big smorgasbord to eat and share.
There's a few things that we can do to relax. Generally, we play cards together, and then we also read our Kindles. That's kind of like how we detach. And then we've recently finished reading all the Harry Potter novels, and then we watched the movies. We finished doing that, but sometimes we have a show that we watch together.
We're trying to find a show or potentially another series that we'll read together, because reading together is actually such a nice thing that you can do, and because we're working on our computers often, we do really like to detach from screen time. So
yeah, it's
that's
important.
why cards and Kindles are great.
Cards, Kindles, and resting. It's just been so nice.
I'm also always beat Keith at this game.
Yeah, we're playing Gin Rummy, my grandmother's version, and I never win. Are you serious? She won again. Didn't take very long. Oh.
Let's play again. We switched tables because we think the mosquitoes were worse over there. But we got our first course, which is pumpkin soup. Feels like comfort food, which is on a rainy day is perfect.
Good stuff?
It's like the Vietnamese take on pumpkin soup. I love it.
There's still mosquitoes here. This soup is actually very comforting. It's sweet and salty, but still tastes like fall at home. Now, I'm gonna try the tofu. Devin's favorite thing. I forget the name of this right here. I actually pronounced it pretty well when I ordered it. Tomato, tofu, and I think green onions and stuff like that, and onions. It's just like so soft inside, but the outside is nicely fried. And then with rice, it goes really well, and it's really comforting. You end up craving tofu. Devin and I have been craving tofu now because of this.
We love these like papaya salad, but this one is called a banana flower salad, so it's a bit different. So we also just received spring rolls, morning glory, and a little beef dish. There is so much food here, but if you know me and Keith, we're probably gonna eat it all.
We'll probably eat it all. It's actually impressive.
I'm excited.
There's a lot of food here. So hopefully we were up for it.
I think we are.
I think we are. We're not the only people, by the way, anymore. Some guests arrived. Probably take a bus with them in a couple days. What should I go with first? This, by the way, is excellent, the salad. I love it. Papaya banana leaf. The beef over here, quick bite.
Yeah, try that.
Oh, peanut too. Lots of peanut in the papaya salad. Beef with a bit of rice. It's nice. I've been liking the beef here in Vietnam. I'm gonna try a bite of the spring roll.
Make sure it's not too hot for you.
Dipped in, you're right.
How is it? Is it my kind of spring roll or no?
I think it's tofu. And yes, it's rice wrapped.
Sweet!
So, quick little piece of morning glory. The thunder is rolling in, by the way. Hopefully we don't lose power. Morning glory is always good. Last thing.
We don't know what it is.
Don't know what it is. A skewer of pork, grilled pork, I think. Great. Insane. Look at all this food now. I love it.
So I'm gonna have a date night with Pete, so we'll see when we're done eating.
Did you really think we weren't gonna eat everything? The only thing left is a bit of rice, which we're gonna try to save for tomorrow for breakfast for Devin. But yeah, we're stuffed, and that was excellent. The food here has been really, really good. Oh, by the way, if you want to stay here, it's called Puluong Home. The link's below, and you can use our link that actually supports us as well.
We're gonna watch a movie in our bed with our bug net on, being cute and cozy.
Not that we really need the bug net, but it's kind of cozy. It sort of like wraps us up and makes us feel all snug and safe. So we really enjoy this place. Puluong is the next big
I think it's gonna be the next
retreat.
big place in northern Vietnam / around Hanoi area.
We really love this bit of a recharge time for us.
It's been exactly what we needed, and we hope you enjoyed this beautiful, relaxing atmosphere, and we'll see you in our next video.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Good night. Just filled my water bottle, got up, and there's a cute snail.
It's massive. Look at that. Here, snaily, snaily, snaily. Look at that.
A big snail, a big guy.